Hi guys, it's 12:05 right now, and but I'm feeling very creative, so I decided to make this video of my preparation of my upcoming international ride. I'll disclose the destination very soon, just a few days left now. So let me show you all the gadgets I'm planning to take along on the trip. Okay, then starting off with the cameras. The first one is GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero 10 Black. It's a couple of years old and I don't have any additional batteries for it. I just have 2 remaining batteries now versus 4 which I had originally. So I might just go for an DJI Action Pro 5 adventure combo, which will give you 3 additional batteries, a new action cam which has got a bigger screen on the front and the back, and magnetic mounts and stuff. So I'm just gonna grab that one. The other one I have is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is one of my favorite ones, but this is unfortunately not waterproof or dirt resistant. It's very delicate, so I'm not sure if I would want to carry this one. Maybe as a backup I'll keep it. So this is Pocket 3. Then this is the this is the GoPro Media Mod. This is one of my another favorite cameras, the Insta360 Go 3. This is a very small camera. See, this is the camera and you can mount it anywhere. It comes with various cool mounts. You can mount it on a cap, on your chest in a locket, and lots of other places. And this is the complete unit, and comes with a flip screen as well. So this is definitely going. And then one additional phone, some buds, the DJI, sorry, I keep saying DJI. This is the Mini MX, Moza Mini MX. This is the gimbal. I've never used it. I'm hardly used it, but I plan to use it this time. Then my oldest battery pack. Then a MagSafe battery pack. This is actually very neat because you can mount the phone here while it's charging. You can turn this into like a stand, and here you go. You can, watch anything on it while it's charging. So this is pretty neat. But again, this was about 2 years ago, so this is just 5000 mAh, which was the norm at that point in time. I have a 20,000 mAh battery pack as well. So 4 battery packs are definitely going with me. And then, not to forget, the DJI mic Gen 1, which is definitely going. And plus this is a battery pack for watches. So if you want to charge your watch on the go, it's like a battery pack, you can charge it. So these are the things that I'm planning to take on the trip, along with this tripod. Most probably tomorrow I'll buy the DJI Action Pro combo, so I'll post an unboxing of the gadget as well. But that's it for now. See you guys soon.